Ayan, John Pearl. Ano ko muna, soak ko muna for 2 hours. And then maya-maya ilagay ko sa plastic. Okay, yan. And then, tinanin ko ng sayote. Kasi manang curious. What you curious there, manang? Ha? Ayan, ate. Tingnan mo ito. Ito ang sayutin. Ang sayutin. Ang isa hindi nagtubo, pero ang isa, ingnan mo. Ching, 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 ching. Ayan, mataas na ang sayutin ko. Hello guys, let me check my sayote because we have a challenge with John Pearl and Ate Mactan. So let me check with my sayote. And this is what it is now. It's growing so fast. And challenge accepted. Thank you, Ate Mactan. I won the challenge. Thank you for 1K you gave.